Hello everyone and greetings to all Pokemon fans. So this is Pokemon Master Kamalesh and I'm from India, and in today's video we are going to unbox the Let's Go Eevee with the Pokeball Plus bundle for the Nintendo Switch. So before we open this package, so I ordered this from a website called Play Asia. So it was for approximately $110, which sums up to close to 8,000 rupees, and I ordered it, but I was not aware of one thing. So I totally forgot about the customs duty fees, and guess what? It was a whopping 3,000 rupees. So I was not aware of this thing. So guys, be sure to check it out before ordering products. And so yeah, let's open the box. As you guys can see, I already have the Pikachu version, and this one comes with the Pokeball Plus, and it's a Let's Go Eevee version.
Say an Eevee is a trainer's best friend, a ball of versatile fluff. You can make me fit your favorite trend, be it fire, ice, or other stuff.
This product was neatly bubble wrapped, and they've given us a $5 coupon code, and we can use it on our next order. So here we have this baby in our hands. So the Let's Go Eevee bundle with the Pokeball Plus, and we have a free Mew. So this is the box, and let's open the box now. A closer look at the box. So let's quickly unpack it. Wow, the beautiful case and the game. So we'll keep it aside, and what comes inside is the Pokeball Plus. Wow, what's else inside the box? Nothing else. So let's break in this. Some people might like the sound of this plastic, so that's why. So this is the map of the Kanto region, and here we see is the cartridge, the Pokeball Plus. Yep. This is the charging cable. Keep it aside. User manual and the accessory itself. So it's an official Nintendo licensed USB-C type charging cable, and God, it feels so good in the hand, and it can also be used as a Joy-Con. So that was the quick unboxing of the Let's Go bundle, and this is my Nintendo Switch family for now, and this wouldn't have been possible without my mom and my grandmother. So a big shout out and thanks to them, and keep supporting our channel. So be sure to drop a like button if you like this video, and share this video with your other Pokemon fan friends, and see you all in the next video guys. Bye bye.